Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Do you know how to practice English every day? If you don't know, then I am here to teach you how to practice English every day. Then do this exercise regularly, then you will become very good in English. And let us go and learn how can we practice English every day. I didn't expect it from you. ମୁଁ ତୁମଠାରୁ ଏହା ଆଶା କରିନଥିଲି. I didn't expect it from you. ମୁଁ ତୁମଠାରୁ ଏହା ଆଶା କରିନଥିଲି. Don't make me angry. ମୋତେ କ୍ରୋଧ କରାଅ ନାହିଁ. Don't make me angry. ମୋତେ କ୍ରୋଧ କରାଅ ନାହିଁ. What is your favorite game? ତୁମ ପ୍ରିୟ ଖେଳ କ'ଣ? What is your favorite game? ତୁମ ପ୍ରିୟ ଖେଳ କ'ଣ? I need to exercise more. ମୋତେ ଅଧିକ ବ୍ୟାୟାମ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. I need to exercise more. ମୋତେ ଅଧିକ ବ୍ୟାୟାମ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. Don't insist for anything. କୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ପାଇଁ ଜିଦି ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ. Don't insist for anything. କୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ପାଇଁ ଜିଦି ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ. Like this guy, if you know more, then subscribe this channel, then you will get new more videos. Thank you for watching.